Hi guys, welcome. My name is Gavin and you're watching Adoption Curve. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, give this video a like, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated on when we post new videos. Now let's dive into the topics for today. So crypto lender Celsius has released a communique on their Twitter as it files to reopen withdrawals for a minority of customers. They filed a motion with the United States Bankruptcy Court yesterday to allow customers with digital assets held in certain accounts to be withdrawn. However, there's a small catch, as the motion will only apply to custody and withhold accounts, and for custody assets worth $7,575 or less in value. Now for our next topic. Total crypto market continues to crumble as the dollar index hits a 20-year high. So the risk-off attitude caused by the Federal Reserve tightening led to investors to believe that there's a broader market correction in play. However, there could be some relief on the horizon for BTC and the crypto markets. And we'll just go into the TA to show you. So I've just opened up the DXY here on TradingView, and we can see that we've rejected at the $110 level. We can also see, like on the weekly time frame, that we were massively overbought. We've also hit like this level here is the 1.618 Fibonacci of the previous rise in the price action. So this seems to be like a very important level. Now, what do you want to see for ETH, BTC, and crypto bulls? We'd obviously want to see this consolidate or go down. So I think we just need to see what's going to happen in the next few days if we either drop below or make this support and head higher. My view is we might see a bit more upside depending on what Jay Powell and the Fed are going to do in the next few months. But for now, it looks like the dollar or BTC is going to see a bit more relief. In the current economic climate, I urge you to keep an eye on Market Watch. So these are like the most important dates and events that's happening economically in the US. So as you can see today, it's the labor force participation rate that is being talked about. And in the next few days, so we have Labor Day coming up. So they might be like the markets will probably be quite boring over the weekend and on Monday. So I urge you to keep track of this. So as you can see that the price action over the past few months has really been following this economic calendar. Every time Jay Powell does a speech or the Fed or whatever big financial instance does a conference or whatever, you can see that the price action is waiting for good or bad news to respond. Dive into the analysis of BTC and ETH, starting off with BTC. So as you can see, I've opened up the daily chart here, and the indicators that I'm really following now are the 200 and the 200-day MA and the 200-day EMA, but not looking at that for now, as we've got like a few very important levels. So as you can see, we made support here on the 19.750 level, and this also coincides with the 20k high from 2017. So what do you want to see happen? So as you can see here, we're making a range. We went up to the 20.5k level, rejected, went down. Now we went back, made that support. And the level I'm eyeing for now is the area around 20.8k between 21.4. So if we can make this level support, then there's a chance of us going higher. But if we reject, I think we'll revisit the lows again. And now for ETH. So after rejecting at 1,986, we've seen that we're making lower lows and lower highs, as you can see here. I've also overlaid some Fibonacci levels to make it a bit more easier, as I think we're going to reject back here again. Making a lower high would obviously make us go down to the 0.618, at 1,300 and between 1,300 and 1,350, as there's also an OB here. So I think that's where ETH could bottom out. Obviously, if the Fed comes out with good news or temporary good news, give the market some relief and a break, we could obviously see it go back higher. But I think if ETH is set for a bit more downside in the coming weeks and months. Well, many thanks for tuning in to our first ever adoption curve video. I hope you'll be back soon.